Murgat agus fáilte go dtí mo Caitheamh Aimsire a trí. Sampla de Caitheamh Aimsire ná ceol, sport, ag léamh, ag bualadh le cairde, a lán rudaí. Sin Caitheamh Aimsire, hobbies. OK, task a hain, féach an seo. Survey, 8 gceist an seo. Uimhir a hain, an maith leat a bheith ag léamh. Uimhir a dó, an maith leat a bheith ag éisteacht le ceol. An maith leat a bheith ag imirt sport, ag imirt cluichí riomhre, a bheith ag canna, a bheith ag íscarocht, a bheith ag ri, a bheith ag fécant ar an telefís. An maith leat. Is maithlum, ní maithlum. Is brálum, is evenlum, is fualum, is gránlum, ní mistalum. Okay, so tá a ráwa a got an sin. You don't have to answer it is maithlum, ní maithlum. Okay? Anwa. Sin task a hain, scríomh na freagraí I de chópléir. Ionach. Inis, féicear task a dó. An telefís. So, matchall an seo. Uimhir a hain, féicear an picture uimhir a hain. What's going on there in uimhir a hain? Buchel agus Colleen Bader ag shenam on guitar. So what are we looking at there? Clór Ceol, Anawa. Clór Ceol, music program. Clór is a program. Okay? So, Clór Hrána Gceist, a quiz program. Clór Sport, Clór Fashion, Clór Nuachta, cartoon, subtle drama, Clór Ceol, Clór Green, comedy program. Okay, on a what? Fake shees. Asterisk. Translate. Mar hampla is bralum Clór Sport, mar is dinne sportul me. I really like sports programs because I am a sporty person. On a what? So, cad is bride hain do trí car cuaig agus is sé. Is matlum cartoon, mar tá siad granver. Is bralum Clór Fashion, mar tá siad simul. Ní matlum Clór Nuachta, mar tá siad ladránach. Is evenlum subtle drama, mar hampla Carnation Street. Ní mistalum Clór Ceol, is gránlum Clór Hrána Gceist. Anawa, sin task a dó. You might not get all of those. Don't worry. Get as many as you can and try to translate even parts of it. Okay? Ionach ar fad. Okay, Lanaraig, task a 3. Task a 3. An Colleen seo, highest misha orla, is evenlum on cartoon green, The Simpsons. Tá cúigear sa Tailach. Agus tá siad in a gcónaí in Springfield. Tá crackan buí orthú, agus tá súile móra acu. Okay, so ceist agus freagra. See how many you can get. Okay, scríomh isteach sa cópléir. Uimhir a hain, cén sort clór is fearr le orla? What sort of program does orla prefer? Is fearr le orla? Clór what? Cad is anam den clór is fearr lehi. Blank blank is anam den clór is fearr lehi. Cá bhfuil an clór lunathe, based. Tá an clór lunathe. Where is this program based or situated? Okay. And then here's some extra questions, just as a little bit of a challenge on ma leat The Simpsons. Do you like? Cén clór telefíse is fearr leat. Cad is anam den phríomh character. Okay, so you might pick another one, not The Simpsons, something else. Okay, just give it a go. Okay, now, task iver a cahar. Task iver a cahar on show. Okay, so, blog cainte. Okay, so, your job here is blog cainte, scríomh blog faoi de Caitheamh Aimsire. Iad the vlog luig. In your blog mention de Caitheamh Aimsire, ag léamh sport, cluichí riomhre ag éisteach le ceol, telefís an chlóras fearlaat, no rudí a rinne tú an teachtail caite. Don't worry about that, that's an optional one, okay? So don't worry. And then if we're though, cruig iMovie bunathe the vlog. Okay? So in your blog, right? So how will you know if it's a good one? So Uber Fós le Déanamh. You have 4 grades here that I will have to give. Okay, so Uber Fós le Déanamh, work still to be done. So Níl picture no dahanana tá níos nua lá chuig faointe agus a kind of spéirle. So if yours was that, then it would be work still to be done. Uber Fós le Déanamh. In the Gumma section, os cion chuig faointe, above 5 points, Tedal agus Banu, title and a greeting. A Banu would be Diagwit Adam is Anandum. That's Shinon Banu. Litru Ma, good spelling, because you need to spell them as they are in your resources that you get. Okay? Agus a kind gosoler, speaking clearly. If I can't hear you and your voice is muffled, then I won't be able to mark it. So that would put it into the previous one, Uber Fós le Déanamh. Anawa would be níos mó ná 8 pointe Polish, more than 7 points of information. A kind gosoler, speaking clearly. Litruma, spelling. Fáiriocht anawa, good pronunciation. Folklore ma, good vocabulary. On Aimsire loirach, present tense. Okay, fe gummer and telefís. You're going to see some phrases where you can use the Aimsire loirach. On chuppel, mar hampla is dinne sportul me. Okay, sorwa, that's the best one. That's excellent. Sorwa, fáiriocht gan lucht. Perfect pronunciation. De pointe Polish light. 10 points of information. Picture agus dahana. Gramadach or Caitheamh, very good grammar, and phrasy, some nice phrases. Okay, so where are you going to get all this stuff? Well, here's a good place to start. It's even is brálam on scala sauce of. Okay, that's a very handy one to have. Phrasy, uanta, initius arish, gach shachtan, gach law, riamh. Okay, and on seo, mochahav Aimsire. Useful phrases. Is brálam sport, tá alone cahav Aimsire a gum. Is dinne sportúil agus gníomhach mé. Is even lum cluichí riomhre. Imriam soccer le ma chóide. Éistem le ceol gach lá. Féacham an telefís inis is a ríis. Is maith lum a bheith ag taringt picture. Is a SpongeBob SquarePants an chlór is fearlum. Okay, so feel free to use those. On a what? Sample. Okay, so this is what your work could look like. Okay, so your Banu, Díomh, Adam is Anam Dum, Cunas Atá By me a kind, Fui Machav, Aimsire anew. Okay, and there's your Banu, there's your introduction. Well, is dinne sportúil agus ceol ver me. Is brálam amáníocht agus soccer. Imriam soccer le ma chóide gach lá. Is even lum ceol freisin. Is maith lum ceol pop ach is fearlum ceol electrónach. Is a Calvin Harris an ceoltóir is fearlum. Is maith an telefís freisin. Féacham an telefís gach lá. Is a Friends an chlór is fearlum. Is brálam an character Joey. Tá sé anna granver. Anna ba? Agus sin é. Tá tú creek na hanish. Anna ba. So you are going to make your iMovie, picture, dahana, and speak really, really clearly, a kind of solar, and then you're going to submit that to me. Okay? And sin é. Anna ba? Slán go fóill.